Sir, we have testing facilities currently stationed in one of every 13 districts that we have, sir. All of them are self-reliant for testing now. Not only that, sir, every district has also become a self-reliant for medical care of COVID patients as well, sir. For treatment of the mildest of the cases to the most severe of the cases, sir. Sir, I'm happy to inform you that through aggressive testing, early detection, contact tracing and continuous involvement of more than 2 lakh volunteers at the ground level along with rigorous clinical management, we have succeeded in keeping the mortality to less than 0.90%, sir. Sir, our strategy is to ensure not a single person who requires hospital facilities shall be kept waiting. Not a single person who requires testing shall be denied access to a test, sir. Sir, we have more than 1,500 sample collection points throughout the state with more than 100 mobile units, sir. Together with rapid antigen tests, the number of tests conducted per day has breached the 70,000 mark as well, sir. And our average currently stands at almost 60,000 tests, sir, every day. Sir, in the past few weeks, many of our districts have currently been facing the peak, sir. The recent surge in cases has been captured by the increase in testing done in those clusters, sir. Sir, as a strategy of systematic triaging of positive patients, sir, we have adopted in the state where triaging has been provided not only at the district level, but also at the division and mandal level as well, sir. After triaging, based on the severity of the cases are referred either to home isolation or to COVID care center or to COVID hospitals, sir.
ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, కామెంట్, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.